Hello, this is Ron Blaze for Ninja Web Tools. Thanks for joining us today for a training slash webinar on Ninja Notifier, Contest Ninja, and Survey Ninja. We ran a webinar yesterday, but there was an issue with the replay, so I'm going to re-record this. So Ninja Notifier was created so that we can send out short notifications out to our clients using Facebook. And notifications would appear in Facebook's notification bar, similar to this notification here, where it specifies a message, and then if I click on the message, it'll take me off to where we wanted that person to go to. So let me show you how that all works inside of Ninja Notifier. Within Ninja Notifier, you can set up as many apps as your license allows. So there are several license types for Ninja Notifier. We have a Pro, which has 15 apps, a Marketer, which has 40 apps, and an Agency version, which has 250 apps. Now Ninja Notifier, we developed Ninja Notifier in May of 2013, and we actually took Ninja Notifier off the market in January of 2014. David Driscoll approached us and asked us to put it back on the market, specifically to give to the or to allow the brand integrated gaming folks in his group to have access to use Ninja Notifier. As you may know, David is using Ninja Notifier combined with Contest Ninja to integrate with his memory game and several other games to get people on his Notifier list when people play the games. So let me walk you through some more details on Ninja Notifier. I'm actually logged into Ninja Notifier. I'm on the Leads and Apps page, and within Ninja Notifier, the word apps and lists are synonymous. Facebook calls them an app, and your autoresponder would call it a list, so we basically combine the two as a synonymous phrase. This is a stats page, and on the stats page you'd be able to see how many people are subscribed to any one of your Notifier lists that you have built inside your Ninja Notifier app. On the next tab is the subscribers, and on the subscribers tab you'd be able to see the person's first name, last name, and then you'd be able to perform a variety of actions on them. Specifically, you'd be able to go off to their Facebook page. If you clicked on the FB profile, I'm going to find someone who's not going to mind being added like myself. So if I press that, that actually takes you over to my Facebook profile so that you can see that. And this notify button allows me to send a single notification out to one user on the list. The normal functionality of Ninja Notifier is to send a notification out to all users on the list, but there's a couple situations where you may want to send a notification out to only one person. For instance, if you're running a contest either with Contest Ninja or Survey Ninja, or you just want to reach out to one person and to send them a message, but you don't want to message everyone on your list. The winner feature is a new feature for we've had it inside the agency and the enterprise version of Ninja Notifier for some time, but we recently rolled out a new update, actually rolling it out today, to every version of Ninja Notifier. We'll have access to this winner option. So what the winner option allows you to do is once you've run a contest, either through Contest Ninja or through Survey Ninja, you'd be able to select a random winner or two or up to 5 random winners that are selected automatically using a random number generator process from all the people that are on your list. So in this case, if I happen to select 2 and press pick winner, it would pull up 2 winners. Obviously, these people are not going to win anything because this is just a demo. But if I wanted to let these people know that they won something, I could click on notify. That would open up a new window, and in that new window, I would be able to send that person a message saying, hey, click here to claim your prize, and they click on it and claim their prize. I'll show this in a moment when we go back through the Contest Ninja. So the next option within Ninja Notifier is we allow you to actually export all your leads. So a lot of people are using Ninja Notifier for their clients. They're running a Ninja Notifier service for restaurants and other businesses. We run it for several of our university clients, and actually there are quite a few different businesses, there are quite a few different people that have the Ninja Notifier that are using this to run as a service for local businesses in their area. The next tab is for the lists and apps. And as you see here, these are basically the Facebook settings when setting up an app. And inside of the members area, we walk you through the entire process of setting up your app. Now, when you have the starter, marketer, or pro version of Ninja Notifier, you do not have to have an SSL certificate as long as you have a green check mark over here. And you can actually use our bypass SSL certificate to get around the requirement that Facebook has of apps using Facebook requiring an SSL certificate. However, if you're running a agency version or a enterprise version, we do require an SSL certificate for those folks because of the sheer volume that those apps are using of the server power. So down here, you'd actually enter all the Notifier app settings and app name, ID, etc., and that's explained inside the members area. We also allow you to connect, and this is strictly optional. You can connect Ninja Notifier to your autoresponder. We currently integrate with Aweber, GetResponse, Office Autopilot, SendPepper, half a dozen others, or actually several dozen others. As long as that autoresponder can generate a raw HTML web form, you're good to go. Stick the raw HTML web form code in here, and then you're all squared away. There is a setup guide here for setting up the autoresponder, and if you don't have an autoresponder, you can always connect to Aweber using that link there. The next option within the Ninja Notifier setup process is setting up a welcome message. So you'd want to use a welcome message when people are going to get this welcome message the first time they connect with your app. So it's basically going to be this: welcome to let's say you're doing a list for a restaurant in your local town, and let's say it's Joe's Steakhouse. Welcome to Joe's Steakhouse list. Please click here to see our restaurant hours, etc. And that message will show up here, and you can personalize the message with somebody's first name and the name of your app name or your list name that you have in Facebook. And then you specify a redirect URL so that when people click on the message, they would get redirected to the place that you specify here. And then down below here, you have a listing of all the apps that you may have set up within your Ninja Notifier. So let me go back to the top here, and let's take a look at some other settings. Within Ninja Notifier, basically, the process to getting somebody on your list is first to give them a link. They click on the link. Once they've clicked on the link, they'll approve your app, and then they will get redirected to the place that you specified in your original notification link. And like I said, the first time that somebody gets added to your list, they'll get a welcome message if you turn the welcome message on for that particular list. It's optional to turn the welcome message on or off. So let's take a look at the dynamics of a notifier link. A notifier link consists of a link name, and let's just put in here big test link, since this is for the big group, an exit URL, and where the exit URL is used is when people get an app pop-up that says, please approve this app, they have an option of either hitting cancel or OK. If they hit cancel, they're going to get sent to this exit URL. So you can send this exit URL to anywhere you want to go. Sometimes we redirect people to Disney.com so they can see Mickey Mouse. But you can, if you're running a campaign, say for instance for a client, you can send people that don't click on the OK to that client's webpage anyway, because at the end of the day, you want to benefit your client when you're using Ninja Notifier. So if people don't want to opt into the app, send them to the place that they wanted to go to in the first place. It'll save you, it'll make you a great provider of this service for your customers. And then in the redirect URL, you're just going to put in any link that where you want them to go to if they were ending up clicking on the OK button. So in this case, I'm just going to put right now, send it off to one of our Facebook pages. I'll put it into the Ninja Web Tools Facebook page. And then you're going to select the app that you're going to set this up with. So let me just pull the Ninja Web Tools app, and then you click on Add Link. What Ninja Notifier creates is a link that looks like this. It'll have a question mark, notifier equals, and then your link name that you originally typed in will basically have plus signs where you originally had spaces. So what you're going to do is you're going to give this link and post this link on the web for your client or for yourself. You can put, the beautiful thing about Ninja Notifier is you can put a notifier link anywhere. You can put it in an email, you can put it in your website, you can put it in your LinkedIn profile, you can add it to your Facebook page, you can put it as part of your Facebook profile, you can connect it to a hyperlink on an ad, you can put it in a hyperlink from an image, you can add it to a hyperlink in a video, you can add it, a lot of people are adding them to their business card, you can put it at, when it's for your restaurant, you can put it on the restaurant's menu so that people can click on it, and you can also add it to a QR code. So there's a wide variety of things you can do with this. It doesn't require you to actually be on a WordPress site to use this link. This link can be used anywhere. So let me just go ahead and open up this link, and you'll see that I'm going to get redirected to where I had originally set this link to go. I had set this link to take us over to the Ninja Web Tools site, and that's exactly what it did. So now I'm going to go ahead and close that window, and you can see actually inside the notifier links. The other beautiful thing about the notifier links is once you've created a link, you can go in after the fact and go back and edit that link. So let's say you had taken that Wine Lovers test link with the Wine Lovers, and you had already printed up menus, and you'd already printed up QR codes with that, and it was already published everywhere. And you wanted to change where the new people were being redirected from this link that you already had published. Menus out there, showing up on websites, QR codes, etc. You don't want to have to go through changing all that collateral. You can just come back into Ninja Notifier, edit the link settings, change the exit page, and change the redirect URL, hit update link, and any new people that click on that link or go to that QR code or go to that link from a menu or what have you, they're going to go to the new locations that you have set within Ninja Notifier. So it's an easy way for you to publish once in all your collateral material and then just come back into Ninja Notifier to update the information. So let's take a look at the red alerts. So the red alerts basically, when you're setting up a red alert, now the red alert is what Facebook will generate to put a notification on Facebook, just as I showed you here earlier. This is a red alert. The reason we call it a red alert is, actually Facebook calls it a red alert, is when a new notification comes in, there'll be a little number 1 here or 2, what have you, however many alerts you may happen to have inside your Facebook notifications bar. So with a message, you can personalize a message with %FNAME% wherever you want your subscriber's first name to appear in the message. Bear in mind, all messages are limited to a total of 180 characters. So if you do personalize it, by default, Facebook will take 15 characters away from you. So that's what we do when you actually enter in the % sign. So it'll automatically take you from 180 characters down to 165 characters. And then you type in your message and you select your Notifier redirect URL, where you want to send people once they've clicked on the link. This will only go to people that are on your list currently going into the future. And there's two things you can do with the red alert. You can send a red alert now, or you can also schedule a red alert to happen at a later date. Our system uses a cron job to run the notifier. So what you're going to have to do on your side is simply set up a cron job. You only have to set it up once. Once it's set up, it will automatically send out your alerts at the time, date, and time that you specified here, regardless of whether or not you have anyone coming to your site or not. It happens automatically, regular as clockwork. So I've set up a red alert over here in a new tab, and I want to just show you the process of what happens when I send this red alert. And this is a red alert going out to all of the people that are currently using Ninja Notifier, letting them know that we've updated Ninja Notifier and they can download the notifier from the members area. Now, one thing to think about when you're sending red alerts, you want to have a call to action if possible within your red alert to get people to click on the message and go to where you want them to go to. One person asked yesterday whether or not there's an issue of the Facebook does require a 17% click-through on notifications. However, that only comes into play if your app is sending out 50,000 notifications a month. I would suspect that 95 or 99% of the people using Ninja Notifier will never get remotely close to the 50,000 notifications. We have, I think, 5 clients out of our 400 clients that are using Ninja Notifier that, that could potentially be sending 50,000 notifications a month, but that's just going to be a very small amount of people that are going to probably do that. And it's 50,000 notifications per month per app. So I'm going to hit the send now button right now, and let's send this message. Now you'll notice that Ninja Notifier automatically starts sending out this message to these people. I'm going to flip back to Facebook so you can see the message pop in. And here you see the message pop in. It'll pop in at the bottom of the page, and because I've already hovered over the message at the bottom of the page, the red alert at the top of the page disappeared because I'm hovered on this item. But when I click on this, this will take me off to the destination we specified inside of that notification we just sent out. So in this case, we told everyone to go to the we told everyone to go over to the members area to download the latest version of Ninja Notifier. Let me shut off Skype so I don't get distracted. So there we go, and that message has now been sent out. We take a look at this. It sent the message out to 181 people, and end of story. At the red alerts log real quick. And the red alerts log basically shows us which application sent the alert, what the subject of your alert was, the status of that send. And if you have a resend button here, you can hit the resend button. There are going to be a couple instances on this log where there is no resend button, and that was when we sent an alert to one person. So we decided to remove the resend option when we're sending an alert to just one person, and then it shows obviously the date and time of when that alert was sent. So let's take a brief look over here at the Contest Ninja, because Contest Ninja, Survey Ninja, and WP Memory Game all integrate with Ninja Notifier. So I'm going to open this up as a new tab. And Contest Ninja is pretty cool because with Contest Ninja, you can use a contest to grow a list for your customers. So we set this contest up yesterday and got some people added to the list. And let me show you what that looks like. So I'm going to open this actually up as an incognito window so you can see the contest. And by default, Contest Ninja has a video playing on the front part of the contest and also on the second page of the contest. And they both start in autoplay mode. So this video would show you basically what to do when you get on this first page. Now, in this intro video that you set up for your contest or for your client's contest, you might want to just put in the video what people are going to win when they enter the contest. So let me go ahead and enter this contest. Now, if you're not logged into Facebook, you're going to need to log into Facebook so that you can enter the contest. And this also works on a mobile device as well. So after I've entered the contest, then I'm going to get redirected to the second page of the contest. Now, you didn't see a pop-up for the app in this case because I was already connected to the app, so I'm not going to see that app again. Now, when you get to the second page of the contest, you'll see that I've earned 1 point for entering this contest, and I have the opportunity of getting 10 additional chances to win 10 additional points by getting my friends to join the contest. And how you get your friends to join the contest is you either share, click the share button here to share this on Facebook, or you can also send out this special referral link, which there's a unique referral link for every single person that enters your contest, and they would send that referral link out. Now, people are only counted when they enter the contest when they actually connect through the Notifier app. So it's basically a two-step process. They click on the enter contest button on the front end, and then if they're not on the list, they would press the button to connect with the app, and if they are on the list, they'll just get to the second page. So let me show you what that looks like on the back end of Contest Ninja, because there essentially are two ways that you can run a contest with Contest Ninja. One is using the winner, random winner option that we have inside of Ninja Notifier, as I showed you earlier. So if you're using the random winner option, you just select the list that you want to pull a winner from, and once you select that list, select how many winners you want to select and hit pick winner as we showed you before. However, if you're running a contest and the goal of the contest is to drive more engagement for your site or your client's site or for the contest you're running, then your probably best bet would be to run a contest and give the reward based on the 1, 2, 5, or 10, or however many people you want that bring in the most new people to the list. So that's what we're doing here for this big contest. I'm going to pop over into the points report real quick, and you can see what that looks like. So we started this actually yesterday, and there's a few people that are playing hard and heavy. So this person has, so for each, when you first enter the contest, you get 1 point. And when you bring one person into the contest to join you, then you'll get 10 additional points. So here this person has brought in 1 referral. This person's brought in 1. This person's brought in 7 referrals. And this person's brought in 13. So this person so far is leading the pack with the chance of winning the prize that we are putting up for this contest. So what the prize is going to be a copy of our birthday notifier, which birthday notifier is essentially designed similar to Ninja Notifier, but its primary purpose is to send out a birthday offer on behalf of your restaurant or other business clients to somebody just before their birthday. And it'll send a notification out to them up to 99 days prior to their birthday. So if it's a business, so the birthday notifier, if it's a business that has, for instance, a restaurant or a chiropractor, yoga studio, massage studio, almost any kind of business that offers a special deal to somebody on their birthday, then you can send them out a message on behalf of your customer, and then that person, once they get the notification, could click on the link and get the special deal. A lot of restaurants in my area give away a free dinner if I bring a friend to the restaurant. So there's quite a few deals that you can put into the system depending on what your client's needs are. So we're giving away a copy of the birthday notifier, and we're also giving away one new piece of software that we haven't released to the general public yet. So the prize package value of this contest that we're running right now is approximately $300. So if you want to enter the contest, we will put the link to that inside the big group on Facebook, and you just click on the link and start driving some engagement to that page, and it'll be well worth it, so that way you don't have to buy a copy of Birthday Notifier down the road. But we're only giving away one prize, so good luck on that. You have to catch up with the person that currently is in position number 1. So now going back to the Contest Ninja. Inside the Contest Ninja, basically, you have the ability to set up all your settings, and Ninja Notifier is required. Either Ninja Notifier or Birthday Notifier are required to use Contest Ninja and Survey Ninja. All of our apps talk to each other. So when somebody gets added to this list, they only get added to this list and they're only eligible for a prize if they actually clicked on the link and got added to the app. So the contest, you would set up the start date of time of your contest. You can add tracking scripts. For instance, if you want to track your contest page with Google Analytics, or if you want to add like a retargeting code to your page, you can do that within the settings inside the contest settings here. So now let's take a look at the Survey Ninja. And in the Survey Ninja, what we did is we set up a survey, and I'm going to just run through that survey real quick. So we set up this survey. Very simple. You can upload your own background to the back of the survey. Obviously, we're showcasing all of our products, but anytime that you click on that, you can go ahead and answer the survey questions. So surveys are handy if you happen to be a realtor, or if you're a restaurant, you want to figure out what type of food people like. There's a wide variety of ways that you can use the survey for almost any kind of business. Now, these are short surveys. All these surveys are 5 questions or less. So it's just something to get the pulse of somebody, to get them on your list, and to find out what they think about your business. Now, at the end of the survey, I've already collected all the data from that person. Now, if they choose not to hit the sign up through Facebook button, then I've already got the data, but I want to get people on my list. So we typically recommend putting an enter to win, and then an option for people to win a prize. And then once they click on the link, they'll get redirected to whatever page you set within Ninja Notifier for that link that you have inside Survey Ninja. So in this case, we're redirecting everybody to the big Ninja Notifier offer that we have, which expires now in 3 days. So this will expire on Sunday. And it gives basically the offer that we have. As we said before, Ninja Notifier was pulled off the market on January 15th of last year. January 15th of 2014. We brought it back open specifically for David Driscoll and the big marketing group. And we're going to take it back off the market again as soon as Sunday rolls around. So if you want Ninja Notifier, grab it now. Here's the offer for Ninja Notifier. If you purchase Ninja Notifier, any version, whether it's Pro, Marketer, or Agency, and you also want to purchase Contest Ninja and Survey Ninja, we will give you an automatic discount for both Contest Ninja and Survey Ninja if they're purchased all three at the same time, a 50% discount on Contest Ninja and Survey Ninja. So basically you get 2 modules for the price of 1. So when you go to the checkout page, just enter Big Dave, and once you've entered Big Dave, that'll decrease the cost of both Contest Ninja and Survey Ninja as long as you have Ninja Notifier Pro, Marketer, or Agency in your shopping cart. The other thing we just added yesterday as a bonus is anyone that buys Ninja Notifier on this offer before the time expires will also give you access to our Black Hat webinar replays. We're currently charging $97 for that, so it's an added bonus. It'll give you some ways that you can use Ninja Notifier to really crush the competition. As you may have seen in one of my earlier lists, we have a list here with 6,900 people. And we do have customers that have 13,000 people on their list. One of our customers has over 130,000 people on one of his lists. So there's a wide variety of ways to get that massive engagement, and some of those strategies are in the Black Hat webinars. And we'll continue to do Black Hat webinars going into the future. So once you have access to Black Hat webinar replays, you'll be able to see all the replays, not only the Black Hat webinar replays, but any of the White Hat and Gray Hat replays as well. The only thing you will not have access to with the Black Hat webinar replays is you won't get access to any paid training courses. If you were running a Survey Ninja and you wanted to pull a winner from that, you'd normally just come into your Ninja Notifier, click on winner, select the app that you added people to from the survey, and then select how many winners you wanted to select, and then just smash the button. I want to correct one thing I mentioned yesterday in conducting the original webinar. Yesterday I mentioned that people should not be using HostGator for their WordPress Ninja Notifier installations. And that was the reason because we were getting so many tickets from people that were on HostGator, whereas people not on HostGator were not sending in any tickets. However, in chatting with the support team today, they did tell me that approximately 20% of our active Ninja Notifier users are still using HostGator, and there don't appear to be any problems at this time. So if you decide to continue to use HostGator and you purchase Ninja Notifier, we'll still be here to support you no matter what your hosting platform is. So that said, that concludes the webinar, and we're going to get this processed pretty quickly so that we can get it back up into the big area. We'll post a link in there for the contest and the survey so you can test those out. And if you drive some additional friends and customers into that contest, you could possibly walk away with a really nice prize from our Ninja Lab. So thanks again for your time. If you have any questions for us, just go ahead and post those questions inside the Facebook group underneath the post for this webinar. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you on the inside. Bye now.